Moderna released positive phase 3 results for its melanoma vaccine this week. The stock surged from $60 to $175, a 177% move in hours, then dropped 23% the next day. Reran the 1-month FSR. The chart is one of the most dramatic readings we've seen ever on this channel. Moderna's mRNA melanoma vaccine showed positive trial results in phase 3. This is significant. Melanoma is one of the deadliest skin cancers, and the vaccine approach would be a major breakthrough. Goldman Sachs raised their price target from $87 to $320 on the news, maintaining a buy rating, but the stock is now pulling back as analysts question near-term revenue runway, and the company remains deeply unprofitable. Net loss of $3.48 billion on $2 billion in revenue. 1 month of hourly data, FSR scored 46%, rolling FSR nearly 95%. Look at this chart. Price was dead flat at $60 for 140 consecutive windows, nearly the entire month. Rolling FSR was holding at 99% during that flat period. Then at window 141, the trial results hit. Price spiked to 175 in hours. The rolling FSR collapsed to 39%, the single most dramatic FSR collapse we have recorded on any chart on this channel. It is now recovering as price stabilizes around 133. A 29% rolling FSR reading means the data structure was essentially destroyed by that spike. The move was so large and so sudden that no directional pattern existed in those windows. That's not a negative judgment. It's the mathematical reality of what 177% single day move does to a time series. The data can't find structure in a vertical line. Goldman's new target is 320. The analyst average is 89.22. The stock is at 133, already above the analyst consensus, but far below Goldman's bull case. The company has $5.44 billion in cash, but it's burning through it. Whether the melanoma vaccine translates into approved revenue determines everything from here. We covered Moderna before. Link is in the description. Full tool at predictability-api.com. Run any time series data. Thanks for stopping by. We'll catch you in the next one.